Imagine being able to save thousands of dollars on your taxes, while also using that money to pay for unexpected medical expenses. Sounds too good to be true, but it's not. In fact, millions of Americans are taking advantage of a little-known benefit called the Health Savings Account, or HSA for short. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain the triple tax advantage of an HSA to your friends and family, and even start saving money on your taxes today. An HSA is a type of savings account specifically designed for people with high-deductible health plans. These plans are great because they can lower your monthly premiums, but they often come with higher out-of-pocket costs when you need to see a doctor. That's where the HSA comes in. It allows you to set aside money on a pre-tax basis, which means you don't have to pay income taxes on it. But that's not all. The money in your HSA grows tax-free, and you can even withdraw it tax-free when you need it for qualified medical expenses. So, let's say you contribute $5,000 to